In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a GitHub project in Jupyter Notebook. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's dive right into it. The first step is to go to the GitHub Codespace's Jupyter template repository. You'll want to look for the button that says Use this template. Once you click it, another option will pop up saying Open in a Codespace. Go ahead and click that as well. This will open a Codespace for you in a web-based version of Visual Studio Code. Now, once your Codespace is up and running, the default container image that GitHub Codespaces uses comes with several machine learning libraries already installed. Think of libraries like NumPy, Pandas, SciPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Scikit-learn, Keras, PyTorch, Requests, and Plotly. These are really handy as they'll save you a lot of setup time when you're working on your project. Once you're in the VS Code editor, you might see some starter tabs labeled Get Started. If you do, just go ahead and close those out to have a clearer workspace. Your next step is to open the file called notebooks.imageclassifier.ipnb. This is where the real magic begins. The image classifier notebook contains all the code you need to download a dataset, train a neural network, and evaluate its performance. To start running the code, simply click the Run All button. If prompted to choose a kernel source, select Python Environments and pick the recommended version of Python. This will ensure you're working in the proper environment. After you run everything, you'll want to scroll down to view the output of each cell. This is where you'll see the various processes being executed in the notebook, including steps like training the network and saving the model. Now, if you find that you want to open your Codespace in Jupyter Lab instead, you can do this from the Your Codespaces page at github.com/codespaces or even through the GitHub CLI. Just a note, in order to use Jupyter Lab, it needs to be installed in your Codespace, but don't worry, the default dev container image already includes it. What if you're interested in utilizing GPU capabilities with your Codespace? That brings us to configuring NVIDIA CUDA for your Codespace. Keep in mind that this option may not be available to everyone, but if you do have access to create Codespaces on GPU machines, you'll have to set up a custom configuration. To do that, you'll need to open the .devcontainer/devcontainer.json file within your Codespace. Here, you can add a features object to specify that you want NVIDIA CUDA installed. Insert the following JSON object: JSON features, ghcr.io/devcontainer/features/nvidia-cuda1 true. Once that's done, save your changes. To make the adjustments take effect, you can access the VS Code command palette by pressing Shift-Command-P or Control-Shift-P and start typing rebuild. Select Codespaces Rebuild Container. Just a quick tip, you might want to perform a full rebuild every now and then to clear your cache. When the rebuild is complete, your Codespace will reopen. Lastly, don't forget to publish your changes to your repository so that any new Codespaces created from this repository will also have CUDA installed in the future. And that's a wrap. You're now ready to